Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel FusyBots. Today we will going to learn how to make a simple publisher and subscriber in ROS 2 with CPP as a programming language. So I am starting a tutorial in which I will be coding some of the basic things in ROS 2, that too with CPP language. So first of all, let's start with making a package, that is a cmake package. Now cmake package is basically a CPP package. So this is my workspace, ROS2 workspace. I will go to source. So what you can do, you can just make a folder and inside that make another folder src. Go there and what I will do is I will create a package. Now my package type will be of element cmake. So what does it mean? Means it is basically a CPP package. Now name of my package, so let's name it as simple publisher subscriber. So now this will be my package. My package is created. Now what I can do, I can just try to build it once. So I will do it, cmake build, cmake install, and I will only select my package. That is the name we have made. This is now my package name. So this is this cmake build cmake install is basically a type of install that basically an advanced system of cmake build. What it does, it basically points always to the new install file. So whenever you do it with cmake install, you don't have to rebuild again and again, even when you change your text files, launch file, something like that. So it will automatically direct you, it will directly point it to the new install file. And packages select I am doing because I have many packages in my workspace, so I am using only this. If you only have this package, you can directly do cmake build cmake install, then it's done. Now what we'll do, we'll go to source and we go to our package, and I will start a Visual Code Studio there. Now you see I built my package, so package.xml, cmake list are already there. Now we'll go to source and we'll make our executable, that is simple publisher subscriber.cpp. Let's start with the coding. So first of all, we have to include some important files. It is rclcpp is the first one, and then I will start with int main. You see that in int main we basically have two arguments, that is argument c and argument v. So but basically it tell you how many arguments are there and it contains all those arguments. Now I will initialize my rclcpp with these arguments, and then I will make a node and basically spin that node. That is that is a basic ROS2 process you have to spin. So what spin does, so first of all let's make a node. So there are two possibilities to do there. First, I can make a node of auto type. So auto is a data type used in CPP. It directly takes the type of node, so you don't have to define the type, what type of node it is. So I am going to make a pointer of that node. I will explain you what I am doing. So let's take it. So inside this angular brackets I have to define my class name. So my class name will be simple publisher subscriber, for example. Now what I will do rclcpp spin, and with this spin I will pass node. So this is one of the way where I have used a container node and pass this container here. Other thing you can do, directly copy this and pass to this node, that will also work. Then I have to do rclcpp shutdown. Now after the spin is over, I have to shut down my node, then I have to return 0 for this function. That is basically a C++ thing, because this is int here. So what this spin does, this spin maintains a queue callback, and it will give the priority depending on the time we have to call each function or each callbacks, and it automatically handles that. And when all of things are done, then we call rclcpp shutdown. So you see there is some error coming here. Why? Because we have not defined our class. So let's define our class with the same name, simple pubsub. So now my class is defined. Then this error will go now. And this is my class. I will define the constructor for my class, simple pubsub, and now this is the constructor for my class. Now one thing is that you have to inherit from rclcpp in this. What I am doing, I am inheriting this class from rclcpp node so that I am able to use all the functionalities which are present in rclcpp node. So with this inheritance you have to write here node, and then you have to pass what type of node it is. For example, in our case this is simple publisher subscriber node. This is just a string, you can pass anything here, and this is our constructor. After that I will define some private members here. So let's start by defining the publisher and subscriber, because we are making simple publisher and subscriber. Then this is rclcpp. For example, first we are defining publisher. So my publisher I am using will be type of string, for example. So we also have to include that here. So include. So I am going to use simple standard messages, then message, and then for example I am using string. So I will use string here. Then in the publisher you have to define what type of message you are using. This standard message, and string, as we have defined already, and this will be a shared pointer. What are these pointers? Here I have also used a pointer. So this shared pointer is basically a smart pointer. So what it basically does is it automatically kills when the object of this class is over. Otherwise you have to delete it by yourself if you are not making a shared pointer. For example, this is a pub. So this is a class member, therefore I have used underscore. Now we will use subscription here, standard messages, message, then string, and that too also a shared pointer. Let's suppose this is a subscriber. Now we have defined our members. So these are basically class variables or class members. So I can use it inside my class anywhere. So I will be going to use it here in my constructor. So now I have declared here, now I will define it, that what will be inside this variable. So I will do this, create publisher. So I will create a publisher out of it, and that too of type standard messages, message, and string. So what I am basically doing is I am taking this. So this basically means as my class is inheriting from rclcpp node, so here this means this is taking a pointer from this class, and that pointer is pointing to create publisher. So already inside rclcpp node this create publisher is defined there. With the help of this pointer I am just using it and defining it here. So this, whenever you write this in class, it basically means it must be a member of your class or your parent class. So in this case this is not a member of my class but my parent class rclcpp node, from which I have taken the inheritance. Then I have to define a topic, that custom topic I am defining. You can define any topic name, and this is 10 is the queue size. You can define any queue size here also. Then I will define my subscriber. Almost this is similar, so I can just copy paste it here. Just few things we have to change. Here put subscriber, and then put here create subscription. This is the only thing. Another thing, whenever you subscribe to any topic you got some message, so you have to define a function that will be called when that message is received. So here for example we will define custom topic 1. So we subscribing to custom topic and we are publishing to custom topic 1, so that we can see whether our node is working or not. And we have to do std bind, and now my class name will come and then my function name will come. This is my function name, subscriber callback. This, then we will do std placeholders What I have done here, just give me a second, I will explain you. First I will define this function here. So my constructor is over now. Now I am going to define my function. This is my function, and this will, whenever this function is called, a message will come to it. As soon as message will come here, something has to receive it. So we will define who will receive it, because we know that it is of type standard messages, message and string, and that too a shared pointer, as I already, it is a subscribed message. Now what I have done here, basically I have binded my callback with this function, that is subscriber callback, and this is a part of this class, my class. This basically defines, we are passing this a pointer of this class, means a pointer of this function to this, and placeholders mean then you can, if you have some arguments that are passed to this function, you can define that. Here std placeholders mean whatever the message that is coming from here, that is passed here. For example, I have to pass some custom, I have some 2 arguments more here, so I can define those 2 arguments here directly. This is basically passing the object of this function, and then to that object I will pass my arguments. So here all the arguments are there. In our case it is only one, and that too coming from this topic. So I can define a placeholder. This is just a placeholder to see there is one argument coming here, just take it to this point. Now my message, now I have to publish. For publishing I have to define my message. So my message is of type standard messages, message and string. For example, now my message is publisher message. Now this I have declared. Now I have to initialize this. So I am doing this in one step only. Just copy this, paste it here like this. Now it is defined and declared here. Initialized also here. Now this publisher message dot data is equal to subscriber message data. What I have done here, subscriber message is a pointer. See, I have made it as a pointer, so I have to use this symbol here for pointers, but this is a normal object, so for that I have to use dot. Just remember this. And why I have used const here, const means this message must not modify inside my function. This is just to take a security measure, so that the message that is coming must not be updated inside the function. And this is very important when you are passing with reference. Whenever I am passing my variable with reference, then there is a chance it can be updated inside the function, and as it is pointing to the address, the original message will get upgraded. So if we use const, that will not happen. So this is just for security measure. Then I will do pub, then again it is a pointer, so I will use this, the publish pub message. Now everything is done here. Coming to cmake list, some changes are required in cmake list. So cmake list is the one that is first called whenever you build your function. So it will tell what to do, where to find the packages and all. So we'll do find package. First rclcpp required, because we are using rclcpp. Find package. We are also using standard messages, so standard message is required. What else needed to be done with it? We have made one executable, but this cmake list does not know that we have an executable, so we add one executable. So executable name, we can define any name here. I am defining simple pubsub. That is on me what name I want to define. And then what the original name is. So source, this is simple pubsub. This is the original name, and this is the name I want to define. I have put them same, so you can even put them different. This is the name what you will see when you find ROS to node list. When you do ROS to node list, this name will come there. Now I have to define what are the dependencies required with this node. These are the dependencies required with this node, and the node name is simple pubsub. What are the dependencies? rclcpp and standard messages. These are the only dependencies. Now executable is done. Now I have to pass it to my install folder. Whenever this is in the install, then only it is able to find while running, whether I am running it with launch file or I am running it with ROS to run. It has to be in install file if you want to find it. Targets, this simple pubsub will come here. We have to pubsub, and then we have to define the destination where to do it. So this is generally in lib, and inside lib we have project name. Then only our project it will able to find that where it is. So you know that we do source install setup .bash. So if we have to put it there in the install folder, so that we are able to find it. Now we can directly go to terminal. Now we can again do callcon build. We have come to our workspace, then we'll do callcon build, packages select simple pubsub. Now it should build. Let's see what will happen. So it has built, it has given some warnings, but it is done now. We have done source setup install.bash. Then I will do ROS to run simple pubsub and then simple pubsub. Now I have started my node. So let's see what are the topics that are coming. ROS to topic list. So these two are the topics that are coming there. Let's see. So topic 1 we will be publishing to, and topic 1 we are subscribing to. So let's first publish to topic and then see whether the same message is coming to topic 1 or not. So we can do that using the terminal command only. ROS to topic pub, write the topic name and then what type of message inside it, and then we have some data. So inside data, our data is, for example, hello. This is my data. Let's do it. So it has now started. It has started publishing to topic custom topic, but we have also made a publisher to custom topic 1. So let's see whether it is coming to that or not. Custom topic 1. You can see that data is now coming here. If you see ROS to topic hertz, we can see the frequency with how it is coming. So it might be coming at around 1 hertz. So it is coming at 1 hertz. So can I increase the frequency? Definitely yes. So for example, I want to do it 1000 hertz. So I've done it at 1000 hertz. Now see, do ROS to topic hertz. You will see that it will come at 1000 hertz. See how fast the messages are going. So this is how we do simple publisher and subscriber in ROS to CPP. So thank you everyone for watching the video. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel FusyBots. Thank you. Bye bye.